Hey guys, Tony here, back on the treadmill, just finished running. PLTR dropped heavy, hitting new lows of 23.81, under 24 bucks. I still have my position, but I did buy a put, I think a day or two ago. I bought the put for $235, sold it for $310. I bought it a month out, a $26 put. I'm kind of, what is it called? Hitting myself over the head because I should have more than likely sold it. I did have sort of a good feeling that we were gonna sell off again. I just didn't know we were gonna sell off this much. So I should have held. But yeah, PLTR not selling. I'm dropping a PLTR TA later today. So I'll probably drop that right after this video is released. But more than likely, when tomorrow opens, I'll probably be selling calls for PLTR about a week out. So I'll be selling 4 calls, maybe picking up a couple $100, and then kind of seeing where the market goes, just to keep hedging my position to make sure that if we do go down further, I don't lose like a bunch of money, and at least I'm hedging somehow, So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to update you guys on PLTR. Still holding, not going to sell, selling calls. See you later. Bye.